Hey, Shimon.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Welcome to the stream.
Yeah, hello again. Yeah, it's really nice to be here one more time.
Yeah, and today we have excited viewers. That's cool.
Yeah.
Let me open my Energizer.
Yeah. Today my energizer is just water.
That's cool. That's cool. Okay, so hey Ryan, good to see you. Welcome back. Today's stream is not the usual one. Usually we go through React and React Native news. This time we are not talking about React Native at all. Although we will talk about React a bit. So let's get started. Today we're talking about Lynx JS. Lynx
Correct.
JS came out almost 1 year ago, right? In February, meaning 6 months ago, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, so a few
So
months
let's
ago,
talk
definitely.
a little bit what the Lynx JS is. Let me share my screen. Oh, maybe we can introduce ourselves. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, good idea. Probably
So,
everyone
who are
knows you.
you? What do you do?
Yeah, so hello everyone. My name is Shimon Rybczak. I'm senior React Native developer at Callstack. On a daily basis, I'm working on a few React Native open source projects, just Rock, React Native AI. And yeah, really excited to be here again.
And I'm Łukasz Chludziński. I'm an engineering manager at Callstack. I love talking on live streams, talking on podcasts, talking about technology, learning new things. I think, like, Shimon, uh, let me know what you're thinking about this. Uh, I'd rather play around with new technologies, play around with development tools, than working on the project for clients. What is your thinking?
Yeah, yeah, of course, like working in R&D and new exciting stuff is fun. But on the other hand, I was working on the one client project for 6 months, and it's really satisfying when there is a release, and you see more and more users using your product, which is a big thing.
Oh
So
yeah,
it
that
depends how
must be
you look at it.
satisfying.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the screen sharing of my Chrome. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is Lynx.js. Let's talk briefly about what Lynx.js is. This is their first blog post from March 5th. So I was wrong. It's not February, it's March. From Sean Huang, who is architect at Lynx. I had a pleasure of meeting him on React Universe Conf. We spoke.
Yeah.
They had a talk there as well, talking about Lynx.js and like what's new at Lynx.
Yep.
So what Lynx.js is this family of technologies that allow you to use web technologies, React right now, to render to build applications for mobile, iOS, Android, and now Harmony OS as well, since I think 2 weeks ago, and for web as well. How they differ from React Native is that you can use CSS
Yeah. Starting from day
and
zero.
the underlying JavaScript engine allow you to use two threads, main thread and background
Yeah.
thread.
Yeah, this is the main difference, and like there's a lot of more, of course.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, they have like different JS engine. They're not using Hermes. And yeah, by the way, you can know Sean from React Forget announcement video. He was the person that announced React Forget back when he was at Meta. So yeah, he is a beast, and he's doing a lot of um, cool React stuff. Maybe
I
you can
guess
search like
he's an
React
actor as
Conf.
well.
Yeah.
uh,
Maybe you can add like React Conf on
yeah.
YouTube. I believe it was React Conf announcement.
React for two threads.
Yeah, this is on our
Yeah, React
conference.
without memo. That's the one.
Exactly. Yeah. So it was
Where
really
they
popular.
announced the React
React for Get.
compiler, basically.
Yeah, exactly. React for Get by Dan. Now React compiler, which is stable.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the history lesson. So let's go through this block real quick. So, Lynx JS back then in March was already used in TikTok Studio, search panel in TikTok. TikTok Studio I said already. Shop, complex econs to like shop. I guess shop for TikTok as well, right?
Yeah, so like the main use case right now for links at ByteDance is like brownfield use case. So as you probably can guess, ByteDance is not developing many new apps, but they have few like big apps. One of them that you all know is TikTok. And what they did with links is that they've embedded for some of the screens Lynx JS. And now the path for developing apps with brownfield with links is the the most common one. But we'll talk about also the green field path.
Yeah, we'll do the greenfield path, but yeah, I think they also say it in this post. So brown. Okay, there is no brown field, but maybe what's the other term for this?
Maybe search for native
Incremental.
apps, or
No, there is no
oh
incremental.
increasingly it gradually adopted links and has increasingly bet on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are some surfaces in TikTok that are using links, but also there are two fully fledged apps that are like full on links apps. So Disney 100 and Met Gala. What's different? They want to use as much of web standards as possible, which they say in this piece, I think. Okay, yeah. Alternative web tailored for app development. It aims
Yeah.
to honor the assets of web technologies while taking on opinionated approach, supporting web-like APIs and adding constraints and extensions with clear intent. So a little bit different than React Native.
Yes.
In some ways, we'll discuss the ways
Yes. Yes. Exactly.
next. So this is what I already said. You can use CSS. Lynx natively supports CSS animations, transitions, selectors, and variables for theming, and modern CSS visuals effects. And in order, and what's different from again React Native as well is that they use lowercase letters for their elements.
Yes.
It's not
Exactly.
uppercase text or upper text view. It's lowercase. Okay. Then there is this main difference, which we have main thread and background thread. And everything that we write goes to background thread by default. And main thread is responsible for, I guess, rendering.
And the URI and animation work.
Yeah. Then there is open sourcing, blah, blah, blah. And that's their first blog post. So that's from 6 months ago.
Yeah,
Let's
that
go
was
to all of the blog posts.
the
And
first
then
announcement.
they released a roadmap that they are more or less sticking to. I was I was following their development, and they said that they will support Harmony OS on version 3.4, and there it is, Harmony OS in version 3.4 on September 3rd.
Yep.
And then, so we can probably like look forward to the next one very soon, right? The one
Um,
3.5. It should be
in like
released
end of the
in a
week.
few days.
Yeah, exactly. So is it like included in this blog post? What's gonna be included in the release or?
macOS and Windows support. Whoa, that'd be great.
Nice, nice, very
That
cool.
would actually cover if they had iOS, and web from day one. Open Harmony is something that React Native doesn't support. I don't think. I didn't
Actually,
see.
it does. There is a fork from. It's not on GitHub, but it's on some other website, but GitHub like. And it is a fork of React Native maintained by Software Mention, and it actually allows you to run React Native on Harmony OS.
Wow.
We were playing with it some time ago. Also, like yeah, we will add a support for it inside Rock. So you will be able to do like npx rock run Harmony OS.
Mhm.
So you can expect that soon. But yeah, React Native is already on that. Is by fork, but like there is not many people talking about this loudly. So yeah, this is the area for another live stream, I guess, to do cross-platform development on Harmony OS. Yeah, let me find it. It was like some
There is
funny
like
website.
proper developer Huawei.com
Yes.
about React Native. But what? It's not about this is not the one. Is it?
Mm, not sure. Let me find the proper one. There's some funny Chinese website which is like GitHub. Okay, never mind. For
Okay,
those
we're
who,
we're
yeah, we'll research that for the next live stream. I guess
yeah.
we'll
Okay.
do one on Harmony.
Ryan asks about ecosystem, components, libraries, etc. We will research those either in this live stream or in the next one. We will
Yeah.
we will go over the ecosystem as well. Today we are just planning to lay the ground for what Lynx is and how to use it. So
Yes.
we will start a new project and we'll try to play
Yeah.
around with it.
But like TLDR for this question is like there is not many libraries yet, as it's a new thing. But there is an ongoing work to create proper way of creating native modules, as well as UI and like the one for the logic. So think of turbo modules, nitro modules, and links. So yeah, definitely Links team is thinking about those.
Okay. And then Lynx itself is ecosystem on of tools, not too much different from React Native as well, right? Because the React Native is React and native bindings. Instead of
Yeah,
React DOM, you have React Native, basically.
yeah, and we also have our own JS engine called Hermes.
Yeah.
There's also React Native for web, so we're bindings or in React Strict DOM nowadays, which are the bindings for the DOM. So yeah, if you look at these are similar because like they're solving the same problem, you know.
So we have Prim.js, which is JS engine, Lynx for web, React Lynx. So honestly, I don't understand the difference between Lynx and React Lynx. Okay, I do. Okay, I do understand the difference. So in Lynx, by default, you will write React, but you don't have to. So they say
Yeah,
in one of the blog posts that actually like almost half of the code base written in Lynx is written in React and the other half is written in other web technologies. So I guess
exactly.
you need that like layer of framework of
Yeah,
IDE.
like for yes, for like the way I think about this is that links are the bindings on top of native, so that allows you to have these two threads and so on. And React links allows you to use React with links. But as of my knowledge, there will be a view links or any other um, like standard or popular web framework that could adopt it. So the web framework could render to native without any, you know,
Yeah. And
nonsense.
React Links is based on it's not based. It's aligned with React 17. Do you know why?
Mm, I remember that someone was asking this question, Sean, but
Okay,
I
so
don't.
I do know why. I wanted to I
Yeah,
wanted to ask
go.
you, but
Yeah.
so when I talked with Shim in Wrocław 2 months ago, he told me that they are not treating React as this um, implementation of React, so React 17, 18, 19, that is bundled for you and given to you as a package, as a npm package. They treat React as this philosophy and standard of a language, and they stopped on React 17 because they are using Preact under the hood actually.
Okay.
And maybe
Mm,
some of the newer React features will be harder for them. This is my conjecture. It will be harder for them to use with this dual threaded model because React exactly like React concurrency, like concurrent React, like async React may not be in line with their own architecture paradigm.
okay. I
We
see.
will
But
see, but I
okay,
want
so
to see.
yeah, async React is the concept that Fabric, which is the new and current rendering engine for React Native. But like there are some things that, for example, React compiler, which are independent on React concurrency. So I think it would be really nice to use React compiler on links as
If you
quick
look here,
performance
I
optimizations.
think is React compiler compatible with React 17 or not?
Mm, I think it's
Probably
based
not.
on, yeah, 18 is the oldest version that you can use with it.
I think 19 is the like default target, but it's backwards compatible with 18 because they announced it on React Conf last year with React 19.
Okay, so you can use React compiler with React 17 actually.
17 as well. That's
Mm-hmm.
nice. Okay,
So
cool.
so yeah, but yeah, like either way, it would be nice if you could use like new features with React that are in React 19, apart from these that are based on the React concurrency,
Okay,
because they're
so
like,
as you can see, I opened the package JSON for uh, Lynx React, and the only dependency is Preact here. So they depend on Preact under the hood. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Oh yeah, and then text to Preact for creating a lightweight and efficient implementation of React APIs that serve a foundation. Uh-huh.
Yeah, but one side note is that Lynx is really appreciating the technologies that they took an inspiration from, that they are
Yes.
building on top of. So any like APIs that they quotes unquote borrow from other from other technology, or took inspiration from. Yeah, they're really giving kudos and shout outs to technologies that they based on in some ways.
Yes. Oh, they reposted my post. That's great. Thank you so much, guys. Uh yeah, when they announced that they are going live, they paid respect to Cordova, React, React Native, Flutter, and then they announced that they are like launching something new and exciting.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was
Uh
really nice.
Going back to GitHub. Okay, so we got this out of the way. I'd love for us to use it for web as well today. So create something that works on all of devices. Let's see if we will be successful in that.
Yeah,
Uh,
why not?
should we get started?
Yeah. Maybe let's go for the getting started doc,
Oh yes, yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's a
as you
good
made it like the introduction, and then we can
that's a good
get
starting point.
go for the doc starting doc, and then we can
Okay.
jump straight into
We will
docs.
we will go through the docs as well before we even start applying the docs. So, in order to create a new Lynx project, we should do npx create rspeed latest, where rspeed is their own
CLI.
uh, build tool.
Yep. Yeah, it is like
Then
their own CLI that they've built to scaffold the apps.
we need a Lynx Explorer uh, for one of those three systems.
Yes. So if you are coming from React Native world, you can think of like Lynx Explorer as Expo Go pretty much.
Yeah, as
So
a shell app.
yep. So like they bundle some of the modules, some of the native modules into the app, and then all you need to do is to just pass the URL to the bundle, and then of course it's limited. That's why we built the CLI, but yeah, we'll elaborate on that later.
We build the CLI. This is what I forgot. Okay, so let's go through this and then we will talk about CLI as well.
Of course.
Uh, we need Xcode. We need Lynx Explorer on simulator, and then we install the dependencies and we run it. Okay, so I did that already on one of the previous live streams, and then we make changes. Uh, we have their own components. Debugging next steps. Okay, then let's. Oh, uh, 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 uh. Thinking in React links. Your code runs on two threads. We talked about that already. Not all of the code can run on both threads. Okay. And then, yeah, a bunch of different things. Probably will not get there today to the two-threaded model. Rendering process and lifecycle. Actually, this one they explained pretty well on the stage, right?
Yeah.
In Wrocław 2 months ago.
Yeah, that was the talk that got my attention. Of course, I heard before the talk about links, and went through the docs, but after that talk, I really play with it in the code.
Okay. Then lifecycle specifics. In React Leads, all lifecycle hooks execute asynchronously in the background, so that they do not have effect. Does not support use layout effect as a current alternative. Point layout change. Okay. There are a bunch of like these small things, like this one, that differentiate links from like the actual React. that will like prevent big code bases to be like translated to Lynx fast, like
Yeah.
with no changes.
Yeah, but on the other hand, when you want to innovate and you want to, create something that is more performant, with pretty
Oh
much
yeah.
same thing, same code, you need to do those kind of changes. You cannot be backward compatible and invent so much.
And one other interesting thing that I want to talk with you about is routing, because right now there is no concept of native router.
Yeah.
So there is this web React router or Tanstack router concept that you might want to
Yes.
use those.
Yes, but they do want to implement actual, think of React Native screens or the native implementation on top of like the native navigation. So maybe even you could use React navigation. Um, Even Sadia, who is the creator of React navigation, um, has the repo for React navigation links. So that would be really 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 fun to explore. But yeah, native primitives are the missing piece to get the full native experience for navigation.
Yeah. Okay. So this is basically how we would start. And yeah, let's maybe just start with this and then we'll go to CLI.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I'm gonna share something else now. I'm gonna share my whole screen. Give me a moment. So it's this. Can you see my console? My
Yes,
ITER.
yes. Can you bump the font size? By any chance? Perfect.
I think so. Let me do this. Okay, so I'm gonna do work, other. Do I have live stream? Yes, I have live streams. No? Okay. And then I'm gonna do mkdir links. Okay. And then in links, I'm gonna do. Oh no, I don't have to do anything now. I can
Yep.
just create this. Should I use ban?
Why not?
Let's
Why
just
not?
use
Why not?
ban. I wonder if I even have ban in my. What's going on?
We have something copied.
Yeah, I have something weird. Okay, let's do this. So this will be links getting started. I want TypeScript. Do you want React Link Testing Library? Of course. Additional tools. I want slint and I want prettier because I don't know biome. Do you know biome?
Yeah, of course. You should know. Like it's so fast.
Should I use biome then?
Um, Whatever works is like a demo project. So
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so the code is I guess created. So I'm gonna do this and then code, and here it is. So what is it? We have package.json, which depends on Lynx JS React. We
yeah,
have Lynx config. I should probably install it.
yes. Maybe. Yeah. And now what happened is that you've created a project with only JavaScript files. As you can see on the left side on the file tree, there
Yeah.
are only JS files. And yeah, I guess you can start the dev server. or I don't
But
know if
I
you
need
want to
this
look.
other part as well, right? I need
Yes, yes, yes,
this.
yes. You need to download the. Can you scroll down a bit? And yeah,
Is it this
just
one?
yeah, yep.
Okay.
It does look scary, but yeah, this is the one.
It's big, isn't it? Okay, no,
Yeah, because
it's not big.
it's okay. I thought it's something around 100 megabytes, but it's not. So yeah, thanks to Lynx Explorer, we'll be able to display the actual code without reloading.
Do you
Or
know if I can like have access to native code here as well?
yeah, actually no. So
You don't
um,
know, or I cannot.
I know. Like you can, but to do it, basically you need to create like native app and then embed it your JS code via their native APIs. So you just need to create like whole brownfield story for that.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's tough, and that's the reason why we created the CLI. Basically, what the Create Links JS app CLI does is it's creating a new iOS and Android projects, and in our template, we already added the code to embed the Links JS. So so with that, you will like with our CLI, you will be able to access iOS and Android projects. For this, you can access only like JavaScript part. Um, so that is a big difference. And I believe like this is the same, like many years ago, how Expo started with like Expo Go only. And now, of course, this is not the true. But like Expo Go is just for testing and smaller projects, and you have CNG for big stuff and like the real production stuff.
Okay. So I have the Lynx Explorer and I also have my bundle running, and we have it. That was easy.
Boom.
Thank you everyone for joining this live stream. The app is built.
Yeah.
Nothing to
See you next
say.
time.
See you next time. Okay. We can browse. We can browse this app. So
Yeah.
there is this main app.
Also,
Where is the main file? It's
can you
here
bump font here? Font size here.
in the
So.
Xcode, in the code, VS Code. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
So the magic happens as always in index.tsx file, where we render to root, and root is coming from Lynx, which is basically like very familiar to React Native, right?
React, of course.
Like,
Yes.
and React
So
as well.
app registry or
Yeah. And then some magic here with hot reload or reloading. And
yeah.
then in app, we have familiar React syntax where,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know why we have to expose this on render function that comes from props.
Mm, just comment it out and you will see. I guess yeah, here yeah, it's just here.
Where do I do? Yes, property on render does not exist.
Okay,
And
but you just pass it in under like in tests
oh,
actually. So
okay. This is in
so
tests.
is it used only for tests?
But are my tests already running?
I think
Maybe
that's
it's
only the
built.
type check error. And can you like change React to React 123? So we'll see if the like in the code in the
Yeah.
app.tsx or whatever the component is called or file is called. Just
Uh,
line 33. Or
33. Oh yeah, it's
yes,
here.
React. I don't know.
React 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so it works.
It works.
So it was yeah, so it was just for tests, I guess.
I wonder what's
Um,
what is this about. Okay, I will uncomment this so that we can go back to playing around with it. Okay. And then we have the use callback, use effect, very familiar. Oh, this will change logos for us.
nice.
And as you can see, the elements are lowercase. So we have view, we have image, we have text. Aside from this, we have some familiar React Native object styles, but also we have the class names. So where are the class names coming from? They're coming from app CSS. So we are using like regular CSS here.
Yeah.
And
Good old
honestly, like this is
CSS.
one of the most scariest parts for me in Lynx JS because I don't know CSS that well. I remember when I was building websites in some other previous company, I struggled with this because I've never learned them uh,
Yeah, you
properly.
how about Tailwind? Did you use Tailwind or not really?
Sometimes, yeah. When I use AI, I use Tailwind.
Yeah, because like AI is the default choice for styling for AI is Tailwind. Yeah,
Yeah.
like you can also use Tailwind. So Tailwind is much better to use, of
Okay.
course.
So that's the setup. Let's not play around with this setup. What I want to do now is I want to get your attention to this tweet from Szymon Rybczak. Do you know him? Do you know this guy?
Yeah, heard a few things about him.
So Szymon Rybczak is here with me on this stream, and he said, like a month ago, he said announcing the first CLI to create new Lynx apps. NPX create Lynx JS app. Support for iOS, Android, blazingly fast, and support for harmonious and web coming soon. Okay, so
Yeah,
that's the repository under Lynx community. Can you can you walk me through this repository and
yeah,
like tell me what this tool does, where I can find what it does, and like what is the intention behind it? Because sorry, and like
hmm
one last question, because this setup that I just went through, this one was not that complicated, honestly. So why do I need a
yeah,
CLI?
yeah. So basically, like as I said before, Lynx Explorer and the setup of RSPD allows you to only scaffold the JS part, and you actually cannot access the native side of the project. And as you know, when developing mobile apps, native site is very important when we aim to develop actual native apps. And that was the missing piece. So, so you can just scaffold a new first project with access to the native Android and iOS folder, and and yeah, we've built it, and we thought maybe we can even do it faster with even less steps to create a new project. And no one has built it yet back then. So we spent like few longer evenings and
You and
talked with
Oscar?
the yes. Actually, it was on our OSS and R&D retreat. So this is where crazy ideas come came to our mind. And yeah, like we've managed to create a new iOS project, new Swift project, and new Kotlin project with just one activity. And thanks to really cool Lynx native API, we've embedded links into the native project, so you can build in debug or in release and bundle the JS project and have like HMR or hot reloading and and also have the access to the native code. And what's even interesting is that you can develop your own modules. So if you want to play on a deeper level, and you don't want to play only with JS, but create an app which access native stuff, this is what our CLI allows you to do. Yeah, let's see if it works now.
Yeah, let's see if it works. I saw one commit from yesterday.
Yeah, actually,
So
didn't see it. It's from Sean. I think he had it proper readme.
yeah.
Thank you, Sean.
Okay, so this is what is your app named? This is CL. Sorry, I need to take care of my cat a little bit. Let
Yeah,
me go
no
back
rush.
in just a sec and you can grab the screen sharing and talk some more about CLI.
Of course, of course. Let me. Um, yeah. So yeah, now we'll be once Łukasz will be back, we'll be able to create a new project with native iOS and Android folders. We'll run it with like Xcode and Android Studio, so the same as with React Native. We didn't build the CLI for running the app or building, so we didn't like create Expo run iOS or like rock run iOS commands yet. But you can achieve the same goal with Xcode or Android Studio, depending on which platform they develop. Um, and yeah, not sure if anyone has already tried this tool. I saw some downloads on npm after we released. Also, like saw a few contributions from the community. So yeah, that's this tool is for sure has its use case. And yeah, okay, let's go back to the CLI itself.
Okay, so I can select platforms that I want to add.
Yeah, let's go with both.
It would be good to have the explanation that I should use space and enter, right?
Okay. Yeah. Mm.
I can add that. I can put it on my list of additions to the CLI.
Okay.
I want my
Yeah.
commit to be there as well. Okay, so
Go for it.
now I want to go to CLI project and I want to do npm install.
Yeah. Or whatever like package manager you are using. Uh, with like scaffold with npx. So let's go with npm. And yeah, if you could like open the Visual Studio Code.
I'm still installing, so give me a moment.
Yeah, no
Something
rush.
hanged, I think. Ban was much faster.
That's why people use
Okay,
ban
let's
now.
do this. So I'm gonna do code here, and then I'm gonna do ban install.
Okay, let's go. And
Okay,
and yeah,
let's walk through
uh,
it.
yeah, let's do it. So as you can see, we have Apple and Android folders, and we've also named. We didn't go with iOS. We've named like Apple because basically sometimes in one Xcode project you can target multiple platforms. So we thought that Apple would be a better name to cover all the platforms. And yeah, pretty basic stuff like all the configuration files, links config, package
So I
JSON.
still have this,
Yes.
the package JSON that's exactly the same as the previous one. It should
Yeah,
be.
yeah, it should be pretty similar. Links config, which configures the React and links for you, and mm, and yeah, here's the source. Pretty much the same stuff, basically. Um, but with you can just you don't need to have the Lynx Explorer. We'll build the app ourselves, so we do actually control it.
Okay.
Um,
How do I do that? Is it in package
yeah,
JSON, some script?
yeah, that's what I was actually saying before. Oh, we should actually replace it. or actually no, that should stay. Never mind. Yeah, we don't have the scripts yet. Like if someone wants to contribute, like Lynx JS run Android or run iOS, feel free to to come up with some issue or PR. But we need to do it all old standard way. So we need to open the project in Xcode. Um,
I wish I could add comments to JSON files.
yeah, there is this thing called JSON C or something like this, which actually allows you to do it. I learned about it
JSON
recently.
C? What's JSON C?
Yes, yes, JSON with comments.
Oh man. This one?
Can you scroll down? I'm sure.
No.
Oh no. Can you like go back? Uh, JSON with can you like do? Oh yeah, or like JSON C but without the space. I will send you a website. JSONC.org.
Yep, I'm here. Okay. Syntax
Yeah, I heard.
data.
I don't know. I don't know what's the adoption for this one,
Okay, never
but
mind. What I wanted to do is add a comment for myself that I can contribute to scripts to
yeah.
adding run Android, run iOS
And actually,
commands.
it's the same, pretty much the same as building React Native, because like under the hood React Native CLI, Expo is using Xcode build or Gradle to build it the same as here. So the
So
options and
what
all these.
would so RSPD dev would start the packager, right?
Yes, we'll
Let's
start the.
see. Sorry, let's see the difference between those. So I'm gonna go cd work other links and then links project, and then I'm gonna do code, and I want to see the difference. And though this is package JSON. Okay, so those are exactly the same scripts, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
because this
RSPD
is the.
build, RSPD dev,
Yeah,
format link,
because this
preview,
is
and
the JS
post.
side. So JS side is the same. And native actually, in fact, is um, the native actually is the same, but you have the control over it. And actually, there's a good comment from Angel Gabriel Lopez Solano. I hope that I pronounced your name correctly. It would be a game changer if Lynx support Expo or all React Native APIs. And yeah, I can't agree more. And yeah, um, we are talking about we are discussing some experiments to run Nitro modules or Turbo modules, or basically like the end goal would be to share as much native code with between React Native and Lynx as possible. um yeah, that's not possible yet, but that will unblock Lynx from probably one of the biggest con, which is the missing community modules, as for now. So
Yeah,
yeah, good
I can
comment.
see Expo investigating targeting links as well. They
Yeah.
they have the like a lot of tools that are separate from React Native, like EAS, right? Like EAS is the services.
Yes, so they could expand their cloud. Actually, the same what Vercel is doing. That Vercel also deploys Next.js. Like apart from Next.js, they deploy all kind of Svelte, BAN, or any
Yeah.
other projects. So maybe that will be that EAS would became a cloud for all kinds of mobile cross-platform like all kinds of cross-platform apps. And yeah, for Expo, like Expo is really tied to React Native. So yeah, like
Mm-hmm.
links in first place would need to somehow adjust the native stuff with React Native, which is not that easy, unfortunately.
Okay, so I have a project. I want to kill this one. I don't need you anymore, Lynx Explorer. So how do I go about like actually building this app? Should I do build script?
Um,
This will build
so
both apps.
yes, so to do it, first you need to install pods. So you need to go to the Apple directory. I haven't done it in a while, so I hope that I remember all these steps. And yeah, so the old classic way of building apps.
Okay. There are
Uh,
only pre-release versions available. Blah blah blah.
can you remove like rm dash rf pods directory and pod file lock? Like, yes, exactly. Not pod file. Pod file should stay. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah.
Okay, so that's
Is
another
it?
note to ourselves to remove pod file lock and pods directory from the template.
That's actually, do we ship
Is it
it?
there? It should not
Like,
be there.
yeah, that's true.
Hello world, Apple. Yeah, pod file lock is here, but not pods. Oh, I created the pods running pod install, but
Yeah, you
pod
created
file
the first
lock is.
version.
Should pod file lock be here or not?
Hmm. In theory, that's actually, yeah, let me check. Because that's not a question that you answer yes or no, because like sometimes you want to keep what file, like you want to keep what file lock to have the same version, same as yarn lock or any other lock. Okay, React Native template is not shipping pod file lock, so probably we should delete it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that would be that
So
would
pods are
be
installed.
that would be easy contribution.
That's mine. Don't do it. Don't do it now.
Okay, okay,
Focus on this
okay,
live
okay.
stream. I'm gonna do it on
Of
my
course.
second laptop.
All right. Yeah.
uh okay.
And now you can do like XED space dot, and you
Dot.
open yes, and enter.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I want to
It-
open in Xcode. Cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Oh no, you have some stuff to download.
No worries. Uh I can do it in no time. I don't know why.
But can you? Because you have the simulator, no?
I have the simulator, yeah. I don't know
Okay,
what's going on.
yeah.
Maybe I have like two different Xcodes. Okay, look.
I can.
It works already. Like honestly, what's going on? Downloads. Okay.
Okay, it works. Perfect. Okay.
Cool. And now I just build it, right?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes. In the meanwhile, I can start the dev server, like one dev, so it will be ready. Um,
From the root, so ban run dev. Nope. Why not?
how about? Oh, what's the issue? Ooh. Okay, so maybe let's go with
I
npm.
should, yeah, I should just do npm. Let's do
Although
this.
that's
Let's
interesting that it fails.
uh rm rf node
Okay,
modules.
let's not do it. Let's not do it because like the actual like the native project access the stuff from the node modules. So like let's just remove the ban log file and let's just install with npm, and so that should be that should be it.
Okay, there is no package.json log.
Yeah, sure.
Npm install.
Yep.
I'm putting you on the spot here, right? Because like you created this tool a month ago,
Yeah, and
and
I
now
didn't play with
I'm
that.
forcing you to debug the issues live.
Yes. I didn't play with it much because I was traveling uh, a lot and also working on some other projects. So yeah.
No, that's the same thing.
And are you in the correct project?
CLI project, yeah.
So yeah, maybe like we need to.
Let's
We'll
see.
need
Do I have a
to.
package? Okay, let's nuke everything. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna close this. I'm going to check my files. So package log, I'm gonna remove. Move to trash, yes. Node modules, I'm gonna remove.
There's this thing in computer science called it works on my end.
Work, does
So
it?
yeah, yeah, it does. Let me bootstrapping you up actually.
Let's work on this. So I'm gonna do npm
Yeah.
install again. I have no node modules. I have no. Okay, because it didn't install the node modules earlier. It was too
Mm,
fast. This will install node modules. Believe me.
okay. Hopefully.
Yes, don't worry about it. It's gonna work. We have all night.
How is the native project going? Is it building or?
No, I stopped it.
Ah,
I
okay,
removed
okay.
the whole node modules already.
Okay.
Okay, so it added packages. Now I'm gonna go to. Should I go to pod file again? No,
Not
it should be
really.
fine.
Let's check the npm run dev first.
Yep.
Okay, there we go.
It's
Perfect.
going to run. It's going to run. That's great. Okay, so I'm
Yeah,
gonna do this again. And I'm gonna
perfect. We are
start
so
this
back.
again.
Let's go. Okay. Can you do like command 9? It's a trick that I use to,
Command 9.
yes,
Okay.
and build.
Do you want to
Yeah.
read the logs?
Yes, this is, waiting patiently on like
Do
to
you
see
know
this error.
how to make it bigger?
Oh, no idea, honestly. But you can like press the errors only, so you will see the
The
current
what? Should I?
phase. Errors
What?
only in on the left side. Like you have all messages, all issues, and errors only.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
No,
here.
I want to see all messages.
I always, always errors.
Yeah,
This is what I care about.
at least we have something to look at, right? Like the list is scrolling.
Yes. And yeah, like I talked with Sean, and they're also like thinking of adopting SPM, which stands for Swift Package Manager.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, like Copilot is pretty old thing, um, and um, and it's actually not developed more. It's only maintained because of the big projects such as React Native. Um, so yeah, they will improve the build times too.
Well, we need to invest in Swift Package Manager as well
By we
as a
mean you
React
mean
Native
like
community.
okay, yeah, actually Ricardo from iOS team at Meta from React Native iOS team. Like they are already working on that, and one of the parts to make it smoother was like React Native pre-builds. So you're probably familiar, like in latest Expo SDK or React Native
Yeah,
release, there was something called pre-builds, which basically removes the very big part of the build time.
I think it removes this one, what we are looking at right
Yes,
now.
yes, exactly,
That's the
exactly.
step, but not for Lynx, but for React Native.
Yes, exactly. And yeah, in like future, there will be also like community modules. They're
Because
gonna be
like
also
I
pre-built.
think like the something to like a good example of why we want to have that is this. For example, Lynx view, right? Like Lynx view, Lynx image, Lynx text. Those are now compiling from the actual files to the
Yeah,
executable. We will
exactly. From
not
the
be changing those files in our application. We will not be changing Lynx
yes,
internals.
yes,
So we might
yes.
just as well just use the compiled versions, not the text versions that needs to be compiled.
Yeah, exactly. Although, like, there is an edge case when you need to apply a patch to React Native or to Links, and
Mhm.
then unfortunately you need to opt out from the pre-builds. But yeah, you should upstream the things.
It
Oh no,
failed.
but it failed on the like signing probably. Like it failed on the that end.
Errors only.
Oh
Compile Links
man,
background.
you know,
Can you see my
it,
screen
it,
at
it,
all?
yeah, yes, it is. I need to to look very. Uh,
I cannot
okay.
resize it.
Can you like open it? Like
You know
the
what?
thing that
I'm
failed?
gonna do this. I'm gonna do share screen, window, this. And now if I do
Shrink it
how
a
do I
bit.
yeah, how do I
Is it full screen or what?
yeah, how do I change it from full screen to okay. And
Nice.
now
A bit better. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, okay. It's much better. Oh, Łukasz, what did you do?
nothing.
Eh, yeah. Few guesses.
Variable length array folded to constant array as an extension.
So one thing can be, you're running on Xcode 26. That is one thing. I didn't test on that.
What
And
should I do Xcode 25?
yeah, like the old one, like the Xcode 16 or yeah, 16, I think. If you have
Okay,
one,
let's
hopefully
I
you have.
think so. Let's check. I think I should. So those are my applications. And then if I go to Xcode, so I have Xcode beta and Xcode app. If I open Xcode app, you need to update to the latest version. Not, it's not compatible with newest macOS.
Okay, there's a trick for that.
Is
uh,
there? Oh,
yes,
I should just open with terminal.
yes, exactly.
What's the command?
Um, you need to right click on it, um, and then show package constants content. Sorry, do you see it or?
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm not sharing the whole screen anymore.
Yeah.
This is my entire screen. So that's the Xcode app
Yeah,
contents.
contents. Um, what else? Contents, macOS, and double tap on Xcode.
Fuck you, Team Apple.
Yeah, and it worked. These are the tricks that when you're a native
Okay.
mobile app developer
So
for
sorry.
quite
So
some
which
time.
one is which? I'm gonna
You
close both
can,
ones. I'm gonna just close all of them.
yeah, and I hope that you have, all the simulators too. So, um,
What's going on here? How can I close this thing?
mm,
What is
come
it?
on,
Is this?
it's like it's like the process that is, you have all the logs from Xcode. I don't know.
Okay, okay.
First time I see it.
Okay, so that's the Xcode. And I'm gonna go CLI project. And should we? Okay, maybe I will run it on
No,
iPhone.
you have only 26. Yeah, hopefully that's not gonna be
Maybe
a
iPad Air then?
uh, no, but it's also 26.
No,
Okay,
like this
let's
one.
try. iOS 26. That's what I mean.
Yeah, but
You
this
on the
one
right?
might be. Oh yeah. I see you. I see you. Yeah, of course. iOS 26.
Okay. Uh, let's try
Let's
it.
try.
Hopefully, yes, yes. Hopefully it's gonna work. And if not, I don't know what we're gonna do. Let me try also my end.
So it worked for you at the end of September, right?
Yeah, I promise. Yeah, it worked.
It worked 2 times for the 2 days that you played around with it and worked on it.
No, it worked for a few other people too.
Oh no, no I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be like harsh
No,
with it
just kidding.
or anything.
I know. Just kidding.
Honestly, like I'm really impressed that you built this, and I really
Yeah,
want this to work. Like
me
it
too.
would make my life so much easier if it worked and if I could contribute to it rather
Yeah,
than trying to fix it, you know?
yeah. I'm building on my end too, so hopefully we'll present something to our audience. Yeah. So what do you do, Łukasz, when you wait for the build to succeed on a
I
daily
go
basis?
for a coffee.
Nice. A bit late
Usually.
for the coffee, huh?
Oh, not really. Like this is caffeine.
Oh, okay.
What else do? I look at Slack and I reply to messages. I
Some
get
memes.
distracted with Instagram.
I see.
Yeah. Or TikTok.
Yeah, part of the work, huh?
But
Using
honestly,
Lynx in
like
production.
those days, even when I code, I don't wait for builds that much anymore.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Like if iOS fails so much, we can try Android too.
Yes,
Um,
I was actually going to like try it out as well, the Android
yeah,
path.
we can try. So maybe this time
Should we
Android
just
will
drop
work.
this?
No, no, let's wait. Let's wait.
Okay,
Let's,
okay,
let's
okay.
give it last
How long
chance.
did it take in the previous time? 3
No
minutes?
idea. I don't remember, to be honest. Are you on like what's your MacBook spec? Is it M4?
I think I have M5 or I don't know. It's it's M4 Pro.
Okay, that should be, you have the best. Um, so yeah, we can actually go through the native files here real quick in Xcode.
In
Um,
Xcode.
yeah,
Okay, yeah,
here,
that's cool.
and there are a few difference here in this project. Like we've created the base iOS project. and yeah, here we initialize the template provider. Do you have like, if you press command, hold command and press on template, uh,
On which
template
template?
provider,
Here?
template provider.
No, I cannot go there.
Oh, okay. Anyways, like on the left side, you have providers directory. Yeah, here, and yeah, like here is the code that makes the JavaScript part displayed on the screen in the native project, and also on the other file. It's too small, I cannot see, but in the same directory.
In the generic resource fetcher.
Yes, and like this is what you would need to to initialize links in your native app, and our CLI takes care of it, and you don't need to change anything here. Like
Did
of
you
course you
take
can
this? Did you take this directly from
from the docs, yeah. Yeah, we tweaked a bit, but yeah, um the docs are really good. I think it's called like something like, yeah, also like Lynx Explorer was a big point of inspiration for us.
Yeah, I
um
want to see the files here.
yeah,
So
this directory.
like app delegate, but that's not Swift, right? That's C plus plus C Objective C,
Yes, Objective C++. Yeah. mm, yeah, but
and then
as you can
template
see,
provider.
yes, it's pretty similar. We've like simplified a bit, but yeah, the idea, like the API that we are using are the same.
You rewrote the like the patterns that they are following here in their template.
Yes, and also like big shout out to the team who wrote this part, because like okay, it worked for me. Or
Really?
okay, uh,
How come?
yeah, it did. You know what? I used
What
I used uh Xcode 16,
actually
and
like so the Xcode 16 is no longer beta and I'm still on beta. And
it
also maybe I have some flags turned on or turned off in my user settings for Xcode because reasons.
of course, yeah. So I have the let's wait a few seconds. But on the Xcode 26, I scheduled the two builds in the same time concurrently, and I had the same error as you with the
But I build succeeded. I have the
oh,
build succeeded on
there you
Xcode
go.
15. So that's
So
good. That's good.
yes.
So
So
which one this will run on? I guess this one.
mm,
Okay.
no,
And please install
16 installing.
launching. Okay. CLI project.
There you go.
Boom.
There you go.
We
Boom.
are the
It
best.
worked. Yes.
Now, where is the launching? Okay, this is still launching, but this is not launching.
Are you mining some, cryptocurrencies on your MacBook or what?
No.
Like,
Uh, this is my this is my currency. Working on Lynx projects on the live stream is my
yeah.
currency. Damn. Should I just click it? Should I just try
You
to?
can't.
Oh, okay.
Can you?
What's going on?
Okay. Like it's not Lynx is that laggy, it's Xcode and simulators so laggy.
Yeah. Links haven't started yet.
Yeah, exactly.
Launching CLI project and then it doesn't launch. How about
Yeah.
I
Let's kill
close?
it. Let's kill
Yeah,
it.
I'm trying to. Believe me.
Bro.
What's going on?
Bro, it's like
It's the
okay.
whole.
Yeah,
Wait,
okay. This is the what? Okay, this is the one that we are targeting, right?
yeah, I want to be using this one,
You can
but
do Command Shift H.
Command Shift
Shift
H.
H, yeah.
Okay.
Or you can do Command Shift H, double H. Oh.
Nice. Killing both.
Nice, very nice, cool.
Now,
Now let's uninstall it, or okay. Oh, now actually launch from the Xcode now, I think.
why?
Like the stream is a bit laggy, so I thought it just auto-launched from Xcode.
No, I clicked on it, but then it's a white screen.
Okay, okay. You have the
Should I?
server running. Okay, it's not React Native, you know. Hmm.
Okay,
Oh,
it works.
there you go. There you
Oof,
go. And
damn.
now, you know, like apart from these, you know, travels with native projects, you have the same as we had previously. So like the native project with Lynx JS embedded. And if we, you know, did everything right, you could, you know, you can update React to or whatever, Callstack on Lynx or whatever.
React on Lynx with CLI, mother.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yes.
Okay, works perfect.
Oh,
Perfect.
congrats, Shimon. Thank you so much. This
We
is
are so
cool.
back, you know.
This is
Yeah.
such a good starting point. This is such a good starting point because right now you actually have your own project. You actually have your own bundle for iOS and not Lynx Explorer bundle for iOS. This is something that you can actually submit to the App Store.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Are you doing the same kind of tricks in CLI as in React Native? So you switch the bundles and then you like, so you have this like magic word, hello world probably, and you are able to like,
We've actually, you know, simplified CLI a lot. So you can actually name a you know, a app hello world. But yeah, like we have some work. It's not that advanced as React Native CLI or, you know, Rock.
yeah.
But yeah, you can I think you can bundle for release. Yeah,
Where
so
is my, okay, it should be here.
you can
Where is
bundle for
my
a
bundle identifier?
what do you want to change?
Oh, here. No. I'm just wanted to see like com example, right? Like,
Yes, this is the
um, okay, so that's good. Let's do Android now.
all right.
Let's do Android now.
Yeah,
So
let's do
we
it.
are
Okay.
spending a lot of times of like making sure that this actually works, but that's great. I want to do that so that we can point to the stream for everyone to say
Yeah,
it
to see
works.
workflow. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do cd here, cd Android, and then for this one, what I
Do
want
you
to
have
do.
studio? Studio? Do you have this command or not? Oh, you have. Perfect. You were an Android developer previously, right? Do you
Yes.
remember correctly? Nice. Do you miss it or?
So I I played around with Android Studio recently when we did the Brownfield workshop at Callstack, and I immediately like it. It came back to me all the shortcuts for Android Studio about like
Nice.
cleaning the files and like duplicate the lines and all of that. I don't miss Android development. I'd rather work on React Native, but those kind of like this superpowers that Android Studio gives you are like much more advanced than anything that you can find in Xcode or Cursor or anything like all
Yeah,
those
like
editors.
it's a real IDE with all the
Yeah,
native
and it's
features.
built on top of IntelliJ. Probably you
Yeah.
don't know this one, but when I was like studying computer science 15 years ago, we were using
Mm-hmm.
IntelliJ to write Java.
Yeah, I like. Unfortunately, I heard few things about this tool, so yeah, but never used it personally. But yeah. Um.
Okay, so this
So
one is importing Gradle. It will take a
yeah.
while.
Yeah. You can on the left side. You. Oh no. Where is Łukasz? See, this is what Android. This is what happens when you develop Android apps. Your computer disappears. Yeah. Stream without host can be hard. Gosh, what happened?
I got hacked.
Yeah, I was just saying that stream without host could be hard.
I can't hear you. Sorry. I don't know what's going on. Okay. This.
No, I can't hear you, unfortunately.
Shimon, can you let me know if you can hear me?
Yes. Now I can hear you.
So
perfectly.
My camera is wrong as well. This is my proper camera. And this is my screen for screen sharing. What I did is I touched my computer and my docking station went off.
Oh,
it happens
no.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Syncing. Let's see. Oh yeah, it downloads a bunch of things.
No, these are the downsides of native development, that there is no way that
Look at this. They are using the Facebook SO loader.
Yeah.
What's
like,
SO loader?
is it from like loading for that SO files? So like the static libraries for Android? Yeah, native code loader. So yeah, for loading native libraries. This is what I thought.
Okay.
Probably
I
React
understand
Native
it more or
also
less.
Yes.
Okay, so build succeeded in 3 minutes 14 seconds.
Yes, but
and then again, did you where can I find Android? Where is it?
In the templates?
Yeah.
Like go to the
just do Android and then here. And then Lynx Explorer. Is it Java or Kotlin?
In our case, it's Kotlin.
And in case of Lynx, it's Java.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I go here and then if I go here and then
exactly
there is
main activity
main application.
Yes, or main activity. I don't remember. Yeah,
application is the first one. It's the shell, and activity is the view. Think about this.
You can have multiple ones. Yeah. And yeah, like we do initialize links here with all the dev tools for dev, and yeah, also like we have also the idea of providers here. Like you don't need to learn about it or understand it. You can just use it. If it works, then it's and then it's fine. Like the same part is in React Native. You don't analyze how native app plugs into the bundle. If you are developing React Native app. So yeah, like we've embedded Lynx JS to the to native Android app here.
Yeah, and then in main activity we should set template provider, blah blah blah, and then this set template provider.
Yeah, it's doing some it's trying to get the bundle and then eval it and then display it, and in like line 20 something, like in the onCreate function, we based on the build type, so if it's debug or release, we are looking at the specific URL to get the bundle. In case of development, we are looking for like 3000. Yeah, in future it will be like configurable. It should be so like you can this can also be any other port, but now you can click the debug. This is important. You need to click the debug, not the run action on the right top corner. And then this is one of the known issues, that the HMR doesn't work when you run it. It only works when you debug it.
Oh no. I have this emulator here. I want to have it outside
Yeah,
of the.
they've changed it, and I really hate
Yeah.
it. Um, I always use Minisim. Like, there's this
Yeah, me
app
too. Me too.
there is this app called Minisim, and it allows you to run simulators and emulators much faster. It was created by Oskar Kwaśniewski, who is one of the developers working at Callstack. You probably know him. He's pretty active on Twitter.
So I'm cold booting new emulator for Android. Where is it? Oh, it's here. It's on the other screen. And then let me close Xcode. Let's close this simulator as well. Do you know, did you check, will this one server serve the bundle for both iOS and Android at the same time?
Of course, of course, of course.
Okay. So now I have this finish, and then debug. Build successful. Okay. Install successful. Android started. And it works.
There you
Let's
go.
see. Let's see if I change with CLI MF on both iOS and Android MF.
Module federation, of course.
Of course. Okay. iOS got refreshed, but
I don't know
Android didn't.
what happened. Can you like kill the app? Like,
So should I do debug again?
you can just click on the icon. Yeah, here. Yeah,
Okay.
it has it, but
Let's
how is
change.
the HMR?
Is it? Is it? Okay.
Okay,
Okay. It
works.
worked both.
Perfect.
It worked on both. Okay, cool.
Okay, so yeah, it's all experimental, so
Yeah.
it's not that production ready as React Native, but yeah, like you can I like to play like with HMR speed a lot, and sometimes I enable autosave in VS Code and just type something,
Mm-hmm.
some word, and you can just see how fast it refreshes. It's powered by RSPack under the hood, so
Mm-hmm.
Rust-based bundler, which is blazingly fast.
Okay. So what we have already is we went through the docs somehow. We explained what Lynx is. We went through the CLI. What is the CLI? Okay, let's maybe go back to the CLI actually.
Hmm.
And then can you let me know? Oh, okay.
Maybe you can go to
Close
the
this one,
tweets
this one.
and yeah, okay, yeah,
So CLI has two packages. One
yeah.
package is the template, which is this, which basically has this, let's say Android. I'm more familiar with Android. In Android, I could go to app source hello world, and this hello world will be like
Replaced with whatever
replaced with
your
the.
app is called. Yeah,
Yes. So then I'm gonna go to main and then manifest, and here we could see it even more probably. No, not here.
yeah.
Sorry.
You have
In,
some hello words there. Yeah,
let's say, main application.
yeah,
This is different.
Yeah, it should
like
be.
the hello
Yeah,
world here.
yeah, exactly. In your project, it should be like com CLI project or whatever your project was
So
called.
where is it in the CLI package?
The logic for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gonna go to SRC. Oh yeah, just one file and just search for hello world.
Okay.
Yeah,
Replacements.
it's pretty easy, like
Mm-hmm.
these projects, like the template isn't big, and yeah.
Okay.
So what we do is like the base template is called hello world, and there are a few files that contains the string, and also there are a few file names that contain the
Hello
hello
world.
world. Yes. So we need to just replace it with, whatever user typed into the prompt.
You know you have 3 pull requests on it.
Yes, yes, I know. In some break when you were fighting with your computer, or I was actually like telling to the audience that some people are playing with it, and yeah, I need to spend more time on it. But as you can see, we'll have like Tailwind support um, with us inside the CLI, also some dev tools. So yeah, we want like, and as you can see, also it's under Lynx community. So we want to be like build some kind of um, community space for people to develop cool stuff with Lynx
Nice, nice.
in their free time and maybe as part of their work.
What what would you say would be like the roadmap for this? Not necessarily like you saying I will implement this, but like what are the most important features to implement in the CLI?
Yeah, so probably like commands to run and build apps, so you don't need to play with Xcode.
Where can
Um,
I when can I actually like note this down? Is there a way?
Maybe you can just create an issue, um, or or I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
creating
I'm
an
gonna do that.
issue,
Oh man, this is not my account. Uh, this.
or maybe we can just create a note, and after the stream you can create an issue.
Yeah, I'm gonna create a note. Okay, so I'm gonna create notes. I'm gonna create notes here in my
Save first.
Notion, not private. Um,
Oh, I see that you are all prepared, not leaking any stuff.
links. Oh yeah, this is my browser for stream. This is safe for stream. Safe for stream at gmail.com.
There you go.
JS stream. So uh things to implement in CLI.
Yes, probably
First
like
commands for
run
run.
a semicolon, like Android, run iOS. And also like land the Harmony OS and web support to the CLI. So you will be able from like one command, you will be able to scaffold the web project as well as Harmony OS one. And maybe like in very in the nearest future, also macOS and Windows. As we saw in the blog post, they are working on the adding support.
Okay. What
Um,
else?
Probably for the base CLI, like you could work on such things like Rockets, like cache building, but these are,
No, I'm talking. I'm not talking about like the quality of life kind of
yeah,
things.
just
I'm talking
must-haves.
about must-haves
Yeah,
to
so
bring this as close to React Native CLI as possible.
yeah, few people in the chat asked about the modules, the libraries. So like the also like very simple CLI to scaffold the libraries. So like create Lynx library. Also Burak from our team already has this package. so you can reach out to
Really?
him. Yes, yes, yes. Or create Lynx JS library, something around this. But yeah, like the CLI to create like the modules or local modules, to create actual libraries, to have the template for libraries, so there will be auto-linked, and yeah, also like auto-linking is it another like um area that Lynx didn't implement
Well,
nothing.
if we
So
don't
you
have any libraries, then we don't need auto-linking.
yeah, but yeah, it's like soon we will need, there will be
Okay.
a lot of
I was
libraries
talking
coming.
about this better instructions for create links up. Meaning if I don't know about the space, I don't know about space and enter, right? Like the selection.
Yeah, yeah, that is, I'm used to
Oh yeah, like
CLIs,
I
so
I actually like saw that in Lynx JS first few months ago. So I already knew how to do that, but
okay.
then like
Yeah,
it's
we
not
we are
that.
yeah, we are using the same library for this. It's Clack prompts. So yeah,
What is it?
yeah, that Clack prompts, CLACK prompts.
Yeah.
Yes. So maybe you could even upstream it there, so every project would have it. That would be really cool. Or maybe there
Okay,
is an
so what
option to do
else?
it. Yeah. What else? Yeah, auto like base auto or it will be like yeah, like some kind of auto linking would be cool. Yeah, it's not that easy to implement one, but yeah, some kind of auto linking, and time to build modules like some MAKV, links MAKV, or like
Well,
async
that's not
storage.
that's not CLI though, right? That's
Yeah, if we are talking, yeah, I'm, expanding my vision to whole links. But yeah, from the CLI, like CLI is a simple thing. So, we don't need to, spend majority of the time on CLI.
okay. What's
Libraries are
what's
the,
the deal? What's the deal with this? Can I refresh?
um, no, like R is for, yeah, I also used to R. Um, what happens if you press H for help? Okay, H is just printing this thing that you see. If you do Command K, it will disappear.
Command K?
Yeah, yes, yeah, just clears your console. And now you press H. Oh,
Okay,
see?
okay.
Okay, this is helpful when you have a lot of logs, from your app, and then you want to see your bundle QR code or something. Yeah, implementing R like for refresh, that would be cool too.
Okay.
That would be cool.
Um so how about we try to run it on the web as well?
Um, yeah, we can try it.
Is it something that you haven't tried yet?
Yeah, I've tried it, but I had some issues because like Lynx works on web, but the HMR is not supported. So yeah, like I don't remember honestly. Like there was some tricks I had to do. So yeah, we can prepare it for the next live stream. And I was talking with the Lynx team, and they will land the proper HMR support. So that was the blocker actually to implement the web support in the CLI itself, because like Lynx doesn't have the yet the HMR support for web implementation. So
But I don't see it here like how to run it on the web.
yeah, because like it's early, so I had to go through some. Actually, I had to open the demo app that one of the girls who presented at our conference presented. So it was like, yeah, it was very experimental. Um, but yeah, web would be really cool. But yeah, I managed to run it, but in the release mode. So in
Where is
the
it? Where is this? Where can I find this app that you mentioned?
mm, uh,
I can go to our Callstack channel.
mm,
I can look through videos.
let me see. Let me see. It was
I can
called
go
Dual
here.
Thread Demo. Okay, I have it. Okay, that's
You
actually
have it
pretty
already?
cool. Yes, actually, I can present this demo. Let me now grab the GitHub link. Yeah, so this demo actually presents the multi-thread model in Lynx.
Can you send me the link? Oh,
Yeah, I sent it
okay.
you in our private chat. Mm,
This is my other browser. Okay. Where can I see the code for this?
yeah, I'm trying to find it, but you can present the demo. Actually, it's
Oh
pretty
yeah, I'm
cool.
presenting the demo right now.
Yeah, sorry. Uh, I have it.
It's such one tangent. It's such a pleasure uh, presenting this with you because like you know so much about it already.
Yeah, like it would be even cooler if we could like present with like Lynx team. Like,
We will, we
um,
will. Like I will
nice.
invite them. I will invite them for for one of the future ones. This is like too basic
Yeah,
probably to like
yeah,
do it right now. But what I would like to do is so for this web support, right? Like I could add this to CLI as well.
yeah. That would be lovely. That would be really lovely. Actually, funny thing, after the conference, Sean came to the city I live, Krakow, and like we met in some coffee shop, and we were talking about links for 4 hours. Basically, like once we started talking, like we went through all kind of topics, and yeah, mm, that was before I created the CLI. But yeah, this is the source code.
Yeah, I'm just
Okay,
gonna
maybe
note this for me.
you know.
And
mm,
then is it in packet JSON there's something different?
Yeah, you know what? You
It
can
is.
try. You can try one thing. Okay, we can try it. Let's see if I remember correctly. Could you please copy that repository? Uh,
Clone.
yeah, clone copy. Yeah,
Okay. Sure. So I'm
yeah.
gonna
It's just demo repo from the person that was presenting on the conference on the React Universe Conf like 2 months ago. Um, And then it just need to do pnpm install, I guess. Yeah, pnpm install.
I don't have PNPM.
Oh no.
Should I do
No,
brew?
yeah, I think pnpm is a bit harder to install, to be honest. Let's see. Hopefully it's gonna work. Let's start it. Yeah, brew install is correct. Perfect. And
And
okay,
now we wait.
yeah, and the thing that I want to achieve is to like run it on 3000 port and display it on the iOS and Android app, and then we
Oh,
could display it
okay, okay,
on.
okay. So you want to try out if
Yeah,
this
I already.
web project is able to run on iOS and
Yeah,
Android.
yes, yes, yes. And now you just need to pnpm install. Yeah, pnpm install. I have this short alias in my terminal config to have like p e pi. Sorry.
So I should quit this.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
should code this.
Yeah, and just go to packages, links, hey, take, hates. I don't know how to pronounce it in English properly. Yeah, links. Yeah, not this one. Links hates runtime decode. So it's this demo is decoding like like basically it's doing some hard work, and
Yeah.
with links the animation for these squares it's smooth. It's running in 60 FPS.
So what should I do here?
Just go to this directory in terminal, like packages, links,
Okay.
yeah, and just do pnpm preview.
CD packages links or
Uh,
React.
yeah, links. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it. Just go to the don't go deeper,
Okay.
and pnpm preview. I think. Yeah. Okay, so the preview builds the production one. Okay. Okay, so it built the production one. This is not what we want. Yeah, so
Well,
actually, like now, when you open their link, it will work in the browser. Like this will be like
yes,
the
it does.
production. Okay, we don't see it.
Yeah, because it opened in my other browser.
No worries.
Ah,
Are you using Atlas?
no. I have like 3 different Chromes
Oh, I gotcha.
for
And
stream, for private, and for work.
I see.
So this
So
is
yeah, this
it.
is this is links running on web. And now what we want is to
Make it run on mobile.
yeah, exactly. So you need to add like a new script to this package JSON and just do dev and dev, and it will be rspd dev.
RSpeedy, not RSpeedy.
Yeah, rspd.
Okay, let's go. PNPM
Dev.
dev.
And now you just need to kill the app on iOS and Android. Let's wait a few seconds to, for it to bundle. And now you should be able to see the same thing running on iOS, Android, and web.
Yes.
There you go.
Fucking cool. Nice. Okay, so web support should be like fairly easy to add web support to
The
your
CLI,
CLI.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay,
it's just
I'm
matter of,
gonna start with that.
yeah, if you manage please wait until they land the HMR support, because this is something that upstream is blocked on, that is blocking us. But then it will be very easy to add to the
But why do we need HMR support?
like HMR is the thing that makes hot reloading works. So now you cannot see hot reload updates on web.
On
This is
web,
the
but
thing.
like it's gonna still work on mobile.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
So
when they add this support, like would it like make my implementation of web obsolete in CLI? No.
no.
Yeah, so
So
like I'm not that fast, Shimon. So I will start working on it, and by the time I'm done, they will land the HMR support.
yeah. Maybe you will motivate them to to land it
Yeah.
faster, but yeah, we've managed to run it. I didn't expect that we will go that deep, with even with this dual thread demo.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good. That's great. And like those examples in this repository are great as well. because like they show much more than,
Then
and they are
this, you know,
shipping with
how
shell app. What's the shell?
uh, not sure, not sure. It's much more complicated, of course, than the Hello World app. So yeah, something for you to
Yeah.
play with.
Okay, okay. Um should we end this stream on finding the idea for a good project for Lynx that we will probably not start today, but maybe figure out what would it be that I'm gonna build that will take advantage of Lynx and will like help me learn it, help me showcase its possibilities, but also like help me add, like contribute to Lynx community. What do you think would
Mm.
this would be?
That's a great question. I think, that doesn't need to be a production app, the app that you would use on a daily basis. You could just create something called, like there is in React Native repo, there is a thing called Errand Tester, which
Yeah.
allows you to like see all the APIs that are available. Um, yeah, it's like if you go to React Native repo, uh, not this one actually. Not a test app. It's pretty confusing. Can you go to the React Native repository?
React Native repository.
Yes, exactly. And go to packages, Aaron dash tester.
So it's not the one that is in Microsoft repository?
No, 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 no. It's the one from Microsoft. It's a bit different.
Okay.
And yeah, this one is like the React Native app, which has like custom module to present how to create custom module. It has like every API to test, every like all the components, all the functions to from for the for everything that you can think of that you can build with just React Native. And
Okay.
I would
So
do the same.
how do I use it? Should I
You
just
need
like clone the whole repository?
yeah. It's a bit complicated to set up it.
Can you help me
And
out? I want to
uh,
learn.
yeah, like there is a doc to do it, like on the contributing, I think, or in the README, of Aaron Tester. There is for sure a doc to do it. It's a bit
Before
complicated,
running the
but
app, make sure you run clone this, cd this, yarn install whole React Native. Okay. You are
yes,
testing non-fabric component, blah, 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 blah. Okay. If you
yeah, this is the normal, steps that you need to like not the super normal, but to run the React Native app, and then you just see
okay,
the
it seems pretty straightforward, honestly.
yeah. I'm saying that it's complicated because every time I set up this, I have some issues.
Okay, okay, okay.
So yeah, but TLDR is that they just present all the components that they do have, um, and yeah, it's a pretty nice playground to play with what React Native allows you to do.
Mm. So I'm cloning the whole React Native.
Yeah,
I think this might be interesting as well to showcase like how are those two different.
yeah. The React Native one is big one.
But it seems strange for me that I should run install on the whole React Native repository.
Yeah, because like it's linked, like the
The whole all
dependencies
the
in.
packages are installed there, like the whole workspace.
Yeah, but you need them to, because the errand tester is using the one in the root the root
Mm-hmm.
directory.
Yeah. Is there anything else that you would like to discuss with me today, or should
Mm,
we wrap it up?
not sure actually. Yeah, we could. It's really nice to see, that you have some capacity to play with it. Hopefully, we'll inspire some people to try Lynx. One of the motivations for me to play with Lynx was that it's early technology. It's not that mature as React Native, and thanks to this, you can be one of the first contributors. You can create things. um, you know we can avoid some of the mistakes that React Native did, or inspire from React Native. So yeah, I think it's pretty exciting. It has a lot of um, things that are new to the cross platform, that are innovative. So yeah, if you have some free evening, a free weekend, give it a shot and play with it.
Yeah, like I have the same feeling that like the ecosystem is really fresh, so the things to build are really maybe not simple, but like are really like core things are needed to be
Yeah,
built.
yeah, you,
Not
you do
like
have
this
an
very
impact.
complicated, like very like powerful tools, but like simple tools. Like we need hammers and nails in this ecosystem. We don't need like rockets yet, because we don't have hammers and we don't have nails.
Yeah, exactly. So you need to build fundamentals that later people can build on top of. So yeah, you do have an impact for sure, and on how the future of cross platform will look like.
Also, if you press you need okay.
I see you're trying hard with this iron tester.
No, I'm not gonna do it now.
Yeah,
But I want to
it's
do it later. Let's do this. I'm gonna play the outro music. Outro music. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do us. Thank you, Shimon.
okay. It was a pleasure.
Uh,
Thank you for hosting
what's the
me.
outro music? It's should it be this one? Yes. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you, Shimon, for helping me understand Lynx ecosystem. I want to thank everyone that commented on our stream. So thank you, Millennia. Thank you, Ryan, as always. Uh, Thank you for reposting this stream. Thank you, Mr. Magnetic. Thank you, Angel. And thank you, Lychee. And I will see you tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I'm doing another live stream with Kevin this
Yeah.
time. This is our usual one. I'm gonna be working some more on Lynx later, and I'm gonna share my experiments and results with you all. Thank you so much. See ya.
Thank you. Yeah. Take care.